Kuwait is a wonderful place to go sailing. I love the sea and I love my job. I help people to sail, to use a compass, and to understand the wind. It isn't too windy around Kuwait, so it's a good place to learn. Failaka Island is in the northeast. I have often sailed around Failaka Island. Sometimes, on a sunny day, we also stop on the way to Failaka to fish or swim. I've sailed to Bahrain too. Each year there is a sailing race from Kuwait to Bahrain. When I was in the race last year, I didn't win. I came second, but it was good fun. Sailing is very good for you. It's great to be outside in the fresh air. It's a good life.